Mess around, I got a free day, so I'm back here looking at projects of past. We got rot in the quarter panel, wave on the quarter panel, a rot over there, Mark. Let's see the back half. The trunk is okay. Got a dent where the bumper attaches to the frame at right there. One dent here. The other quarter panel is waved up. Like this has been a victim of bumping into things. Another rot spot there. Another rot spot there. I do have a quarter panel from a Biscayne, so that's the whole patch panel right there to fix that in. Then we take a look in the inside. We've got the interior. What we got here? Got the front and back bumpers and boxes. Got the carpet. Oh, we got the usual rot spot, bubble top, which is right here. I believe it's like that on both sides. The roof is in good condition. Let's see, we got registration keys to the car. All the trim pieces that were taken off. Front grille over there. Like I said, these are the bumpers and the boxes here. Well, let me see. Hood's in good condition. Fenders are so-so-ish. Let's see what we got in the trunk. I know we got, like I said, front, that's the carpet, the bumpers. Let's see what we got in the trunk. Oh. Let me see if we got, looks to be the skirts for the car. Let's see, we got, I think that's the carpet. Yeah, molded carpet. We got other panel patches. The rear back part. Let's see, we got this. Oh, this is what this all is interior. Tail lights for the back. Place those. CPP stuff. These are when we had LS streams. This is some rubber parts up in these bags here. I'm not sure. Don't mind the people behind us, they kind of wild at times. We need a trunk pan at the very bottom piece. I got that. That's under the hood. We got all the parts here. Pretty much. So like my other project that we call Box Chevy, this car needs floor pan from the front to the back. We're going to make it easier and just put fresh suspension, OEM style stuff back on it. Have a frame already that we can use, already powder coated, ready to go from a previous project. I've had major projects. Like I said, the rear end, all that stuff is there. Fresh axles and bearings and all that stuff. 61 Impala. Do I stay or do I go? I'm at this point where I think I'll probably stay. So many things to do. People once told me, do one thing at a time, and we'll figure it out. So, oh, and I got all the trim for the car brand new in the boxes too, front to back on that. So, yep, that part.